How to change Instagram bio to personal blog. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change your Instagram bio into personal blog? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app, and then on the bottom right you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it, and then you can tap on edit profile and then scroll down and you will see switch to professional account. So to change your bio to personal blog, you'll need to switch to your professional account. That means your account will be public. So tap on it, tap on next, and then you can see display on profile option. So you can tap on search categories and then here write personal blog and tap on it to tick it, and then if you toggle on display on your profile and tap on switch to professional account, then hit OK, then you'll be able to see personal blog appear on your Instagram bio. So you can choose whether you're a creator or a business, hit next, and then you can set up whatever you want. And then there you go, personal blog has appeared on your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.